Here is a short video on making ebonizing liquid. Basically, the liquid makes wood with high tannin contents turn almost instantaneously black. Woods with less tannin are still affected, and this can be used for giving an aged look to timber. The basic recipe is a good, strong vinegar like cider vinegar and steel. Usually steel wool is used, but you can use old nails or any small scraps. The solution starts to work almost immediately. You can see the stirring stick here. That's a reasonably high tannin eucalypt. After just 10 minutes of making the solution, it has started to go black. After a day, I tested the mix on some pine, some red gum and some eucalypt hardwood. These are the results after drying. You can see that even the pine on the left has been quite affected. I use this technique for aging timbers like this new treated pine, which I wanted to look old as part of the extension rafters on my old looking workshop. After a little while, the steel wool will completely dissolve into a stinky liquid mess, but the resulting solution will be quite strong. You can thin it down with water if you want to limit the effect. If you store it in a glass jar with a steel lid like I did, be prepared to replace the lid occasionally, as after a longer while the mix will dissolve the lid too. The mix bleeds into the wood a bit, so if you have a sharp boundary, use it with caution. Here I'm using it to fill the background of a carving that will be sanded down later, leaving the high parts clear. And here I'm using it to completely blacken a rim that was torched black. It works very well on a warm surface.